welcome to the channel, and today we will be unboxing the Sandbox. Sandbox is somewhat similar to Decentraland, but it's also similar to Roblox. We're gonna visit Snoop Dogg, and we will talk about virtual real estate within this virtual world. Let's get to it. Getting into Sandbox is easy. You just go to sandbox.game, and you can log in using your wallet. I have MetaMask, however, I still needed to create my account, which is okay. So the next step will be creating your avatar. There are plenty of standard choices for the avatar creation. You can customize it with various options. And of course, if you don't want to be spending time customizing avatar of your own, you can purchase one. There is one that I picked that seemed kind of cool, but with the hefty price tag. So you can have this for whooping $3,300 on OpenSea. Stepping into a game is quite easy. You just go to play and you may select a play map. Play map is different from a real estate map. There are about a dozen options here, and that's it for now. The actual map presents you with so-called virtual real estate, and these are all more or less advertisement. This map layout gave me a flashback to 2005 when the $1 million page was in the news. The page is still there, you can follow a link, but the advertising is not valid anymore. Most of those URLs are broken, of course. Finding Snoop was also quite easy. You can find his picture in the map, and you can take a look what's happening around. Unfortunately, there is nothing as of game or actual environment done yet, but it looks like something will be there soon. Meanwhile, you can still invest into Snoop Dogg's NFTs and whatnot. Now, let's take a look at virtual real estate. There are options. You can purchase your virtual real estate with Ethereum, Sand, which is a native cryptocurrency for the Sandbox, why not, and US stablecoin. In any case, any purchase will have to be done via OpenSea, and let's go ahead and take a look at the more affordable options and, of course, the most expensive ones. As it was with Decentraland, here as well you need virtual real estate if you want to build your own game, and you need space to, I guess, deploy it into. So cheaper lots will go for a few $1,000s, price vary, but there are also very expensive ones. For instance, there is a lot that I found for $9 million. That's for you to be able to deploy a game. Sandbox games will run in the app. The look and feel is somewhat similar to Roblox or maybe Minecraft. I did not have any issues, way better implementation than WebGL as it was with Decentraland. And of course, not much going on there. Very lonely experience. I like how within game you can only either step into look at NFT and step into OpenSea marketplace, or you can actually look at the ads and I guess scan a QR code. So a couple of quests to collect some tokens, some items, not much, and yeah, not many people whatsoever. I was not able to meet anyone, thus I wasn't able to test any sort of chat functionality or actual voice communications. To create a sandbox game, you'll need a sandbox maker. It's a separate application that you can download and install. Kind of like Roblox Studio, but simplified. It will give you access to some templates and drafts, will give you access to preset blocks, entities, art, and more. This was Sandbox. My next video will be about Spatial. Spatial is a little different because it does run in Quest, and we just have to check it out. Meanwhile, leave your comments, likes, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.